Here I am back in Photoshop. I have all the different images that I'm planning to use just to kind of get in here, get a feel for them, kind of see how the composition I'm making is going to work. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this, the mask. Here's my mask. If I look at the layers, it's just this pure image here. Let's go ahead and say Command A to select all, Command C, and then when I go back to my original over here, Command V. So this is really a very high resolution image. I'm going to go ahead and scale it down. I don't need to hold the shift as long as this little thing right here is linked. It'll automatically scale it in proportion. So this is like the mask that I plan to use. Maybe make it just a little bit smaller. Okay. Cool. So I'm going to use a tool off of this toolbar. I'm not going to use the magic wand or anything like that. There is a tool called the object selection tool. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it to select the mask. So you can see we've got our marching ants. There's some slight things here where maybe we want to change things a little bit, but let's go ahead and use the mask thing there. So we can see this has been masked out. So you can see here this little thumbnail. You can see the great majority of the mask there, and then you can see the image layer versus the mask layer. Now what's kind of cool about using a mask, like I said, instead of deleting, right, there's all these places where I can use the Wacom tablet to get in here and fix this as a mask. All right, so here's my tablet. I want B for brush. I can look at my brush. It's a bit of a soft brush. I think I might want to change that, so I can just go up here and make it a hard brush. So I'm going to take hardness and slide it all the way over. And black conceals, white reveals. So my selected color, as you can see, the foreground currently is black. If I hit the letter X, that's going to switch it to white. So now I can kind of get in here. Oh, and I need to change my opacity to 100%. So now I'm going to get in here and work this just a little bit because, and if I don't like it, right, I can always just turn right around and hit the X button again and, just get in here and lightly kind of trace out that other stuff so it hides it. Right there, that's going to hide that. It's kind of hard to see the edge of this mask, so I might have to use my artist's eye to kind of figure that out for myself. I didn't really like the fuzziness and the space in the eyes and stuff like that. I'll probably take a moment to do that. And like I said, if we want to be kind of light, we can have a smaller brush with lighter strokes, right? All right. So that's going to be that. I'm going to just kind of show you a little bit here of how the mask works. So you can see as I'm going through this process here, I'm just using the paintbrush. I'm painting black onto the mask layer. So I can just kind of get in here and gently remove some of these edges. And this is a good way to create a collage, right? I'll show you another technique later for just kind of blending stuff. So let's see here, if we hit option and scroll out. All right, we might want to just kind of take a look at this so we can see, does it match up? Is it like mostly symmetrical? There's some places down here that I might want to fix. There's definitely places inside of here that I want to fix, but this is good enough for now, as I just kind of want to make a basic rough composition.